For Power BI professionals working with PBIP and TMDL, managing changes across multiple models is hard. Not because of complexity, but because of repetition, downloading projects, reviewing metadata, and standardizing names one model at a time slows teams down and increases the risk of unintended changes. That's why we built PBIP Studio. PBIP Studio is a local-first desktop tool designed to help you manage PBIP workflows in bulk with full control. You can download multiple PBIP projects from Fabric or connect directly to your local Git or Azure DevOps repositories and work within your existing version control setup. PBIP Studio generates assessment reports across selected models, giving visibility into model structure, data sources, metadata, and scripts. You can update data sources and standardize tables and columns in bulk using repeatable rules, reducing manual rework and enforcing consistency. Before anything is applied, you can preview and validate all changes, then publish into Fabric or deploy through Git or Azure DevOps. Reduce bulk metadata updates from hours to minutes without losing control. Visit tyke18.com for more details.